Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a lots of beautiful latest nail art designs. Amazing ideas related to nail art designs are shared in today's video. So friends, hope so you will enjoy and like these ideas. If you want to compile your nails, you can get much more ideas related to nail art designs from today's video. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. I've shared different type of nails and nail shapes and nail art designs in today's video. So friends, if you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared lots of beautiful nail art designs and much more ideas related to girls fashion. A huge collection of nail art designs like summer nail art, winter nail art, and occasional nail art designs, and much more ideas for back-to-back videos. You can check them in my playlist that I have shared with the name of nail art designs. For outfit and clothing ideas, I have shared lots of beautiful different countries street style fashion and different ages women's fashion, like over 30, over 40, over 50 and over 60 women's haircut, hairdos and street style fashion are shared. So friends, I have shared amazing ideas related to different countries street style fashion, like London street style fashion, Italy street style fashion, Spain street style fashion, Germany, France, Rome, and much more ideas related to nail art designs. So friends, if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. So friends, today's video is related to nail art designs. So friends, today's video is related to nail art designs. Hope so you enjoyed and like these ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And must visit on my channel once. You will get much more ideas related to girls fashion. So friends, I have shared a lots of beautiful nail art designs in this video. Very amazing and very interesting ideas are shared. Hope so you enjoyed and like my today's video. Now let me say to take care and take care of your friends and family members. Bye bye.